Today is a good day for fishing. Today is a good day for fishing. My fishing rod is ready. My fishing rod is ready. I need to find my bait bucket. I need to find my bait bucket. Here it is! I found it! I found it! I am packing my fishing bag now. I am packing my fishing bag now. I will wear my old straw hat today. I will wear my old straw hat today. The lake is very quiet in the morning. The lake is very quiet in the morning. I will leave a note for Rose. I will leave a note for Rose. Goodbye, Rose. I will be back soon. I will be back soon. The morning air is so fresh. The morning air is so fresh. I can see the mountains today. I can see the mountains today. The rice fields look so beautiful. The rice fields look so beautiful. I am listening to the birds now. I am listening to the birds now. The lake is not far. I am almost there. I am almost there. The lake is very calm this morning. The lake is very calm this morning. I should sit under that big tree. I should sit under that big tree. I am putting my bag down here. I am putting my bag down here. I need to attach the bobber now. I need to attach the bobber now. I am putting the bait on the hook. I am putting the bait on the hook. I will cast the rod into the water. I will cast the rod into the water. The bobber is floating on the water. The bobber is floating on the water. It is so peaceful here. It is so peaceful here. I can see little fish swimming below. I can see little fish swimming below. Come on, fish. I am waiting for you. A bird landed near my rod. A bird landed near my rod. You should not scare the fish away. You should not scare the fish away. The wind is blowing gently today. The wind is blowing gently today. Rose would love this quiet place. Rose would love this quiet place. Wait! The bobber moved just now. The bobber moved just now. Oh no! My rod is stuck in the tree! My rod is stuck in the tree! I am pulling the rod, but it will not move. I am pulling the rod, but it will not move. My rod is free now. My rod is free now. The rod is still good. Nothing is broken. The rod is still good. Nothing is broken. I am putting new bait on the hook again. I am putting new bait on the hook again. I will try again from this spot. I will try again from this spot. I must not give up so easily. I must not give up so easily. There is a turtle on that rock. There is a turtle on that rock. We are both waiting for something today. We are both waiting for something today. I brought some water. I brought some water. Good idea. I am singing my old favorite song now. My old favorite song now. The clouds so slowly today. The bobber is moving again. A fish! The bobber is moving again. The fish jumped away. It was so big. The fish jumped away. It was so big. I could see it clearly for 1 second. I could see it clearly for 1 second. It is okay. I will try again. It is okay. I will try again. I am enjoying every minute here. I am enjoying every minute here. I caught one! A small fish! Come here! A small fish! Come here! Go back to the water, little friend. Go back to the water, little friend. Today was a wonderful day at the lake. Today was a wonderful day at the lake. Rose, I am home. The lake was beautiful. Rose, I am home. The lake was beautiful.